Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Vevavi wireless CarPlay adapter, 2024 upgraded. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Vevavi CarPlay wireless adapter. Easily upgrade wired CarPlay to wireless and experience the freedom of wireless CarPlay. No more tangled cables and welcome a new level of driving convenience. Now you can navigate, make calls, send texts, and enjoy your favorite tunes with superior wireless connectivity. Just enjoy safer driving and a more enjoyable journey. Effortless plug and play. Quick to start using the CarPlay adapter with only a 3-step setup without the need for additional apps or drivers. Once paired, it will automatically reconnect to your device every time, ensuring a hassle-free connection for every journey. Perfect for on-the-go convenience and consistent performance. Enhanced performance. Vevavi CarPlay adapter features a 2024 advanced core chip, delivering a powerful, rapid, and stable wireless connection while reducing interruptions and delays during use to ensure real-time synchronization and responsiveness between your iPhone and your car's display screen when using wireless CarPlay. Compact and durable design. Sleek and compact design perfectly blend with your car's interior, offering both functionality and aesthetics. Crafted with durability in mind, the CarPlay adapter uses a sturdy outer and more durable braided cord to withstand long-lasting daily use. Universal compatibility. Support iOS 10 Plus and vehicles with a wired CarPlay system. Come with a USB to USB-C adapter. Whether your car's wired CarPlay port is a USB or USB-C type, you can confidently use our adapter for a wireless and versatile connection experience. Integrated firmware system. Our CarPlay adapter boasts a unique built-in firmware system that enables online troubleshooting, customizable parameter settings, seamless version updates, and hassle-free issue reporting. It seamlessly integrates with your car's existing system, providing a tailored and user-centric experience for effortless operation and optimal performance. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.